I'm gonna talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys about this wig while I'm styling the hair, because my microphone is broke, so I'm not gonna be able to do a voiceover to this wig or anyways. But yeah, so love the hairline on this wig. This hair texture is really thick. It honestly surprised me. I wasn't thinking that this hair texture was going to be as full as it is. As I'm brushing the hair, I'm noticing like, wow, this hair is really full. The original, I want to say the original texture of this hair is like a loose wave, but it's definitely giving me like a super, not super thick, but a thicker than usual density. And I love it, especially for the look that I'm doing right now, which is curls. I love when my curls look fluffy and they have like a lot of volume and body to it. Girls know, like, when it comes to like the whole convenient wigs nowadays, like as far as like pre-plucked hairline,
pre-bleached knots, all of that stuff. Like, I need it done right. Like, I need more than 1 inch of the lace plucked, more than 1 inch of the lace bleach. Like, girl, I need at least 2 to 3 inches. Just give me that, okay? And they pretty much did that on this wig. Okay, so this is the look. I definitely wasn't going for this look. I was going for like really like a curled hairstyle look. However, the hair just dropped into like these big flowy waves. And I'm not really mad at it though. Like, it's actually a cute look. I haven't done a look like this before, honestly. Like, as far as like having all my hair, like as far as like the volume being like right here and it's just being like fluffy in my face. If you're looking for a wig that comes with like a clean hairline has been pre-plucked, the knots have been bleached, you want a thicker, fuller wig with the invisible lace, definitely check them out. They will definitely do you right. I am just loving this, but I think I'm gonna come back off camera and I'm gonna really chop this wig up because I just think this wig will be so beautiful with curl, like with layers. Like, oh my god, I gotta come back and chop this hair up because like it's giving me a vibe. This is cute. I'm ready to go. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.